Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Hope y'all are doing well. Today I'm aboard our brand new 2025 Scout 215 XSF. This is a fantastic boat for getting the family out, offshore fishing, still being able to get into super shallow water with a 15.75 inch draft and plenty of horsepower with our upgraded 200 Yamaha on the back. We have the white hull, beautiful tan upholstery throughout, bolsters for fishing, really nice pull-out aft bench seat, gives you lots of comfort for your two passengers in the back, and then folds right back up flush with a nice leaning post for fishing off the back of the boat. Self-bailing on the cockpit, easy access to your bilge underneath here, and then nice walk-through transom door from the swim ladder. You got the sea deck on the back, looks really nice with the tan upholstery throughout. At the helm, we have igloo cooler underneath, rod holders, optional up top if you want to add more rod holders, but this is the fiberglass hard top, full windshields, really nice to on a super windy day, giving you that coverage, and then very comfortable bolster seat to lean up on, lean or sit on, and then still good visibility with sitting all the way into the seat. On the dash, we have the Garmin 9-inch GPS chart plotter. The acrylic dash looks really nice. Everything's flush, Fusion Bluetooth stereo. We have the upgraded JL audio speakers on here, and then Yamaha's digital gauge controls on, as well as a tilt steering wheel and cup holders over here. When you turn the battery switch on, I love Scout emblem lights up. So when you're getting off the boat, and you can look behind and see if you forgot to turn the batteries off or not. So little touches that Scout does a great job on. Again, as we move forward, plenty of walkway room in between the center console and the gunnels. Good high gunnels when you start coming up onto the boat, so great for small children or when you're fishing to keep you contained in the boat. Want to open up storage so you can see in the center console. You could add a porta potty head if you wanted. All your batteries are located back behind here. Easy access to your battery switch and fuses, but actually good deep storage down below in there. Coming up to the bow, one of my favorite parts of this Scout 215 XSF is your lounge seat up front. It's a very comfortable seating for two, and then huge storage underneath. You can be used as a fish box, dry storage, or a cooler, has a drain in there. And then some nice backrest with lounge seating up front with storage underneath both of those. When you get to the bow, have a friction hinged anchor locker, so nice storage for your anchor, not having to dig under seats or cushions to get to the bow. And then a nice platform area if you needed to jump off from the top of the bow of the boat. A great layout on here, 8'6" beam, really nice speed up on a plane, and great fuel efficiency with the 215 XSF. So if you'd like to see this boat or any others, please give me a call, Chris Honig, at 910-256-8100. And again, this is our 2025 Scout 215 XSF, and we'd love to get you out in the water soon.